No intro today. No intro. No intro. We are live.
Nice.
There you go.
Good morning.
All right. What do we have here? All right, cool. This is the overnight. Bro, the overnight high has a very nice resistance, bro. I don't know if you saw it.
The one on 96.
Yeah, I think I'm going to take that. I'm going to see the internals, but
I got NQ currently hugging a 15-minute trend line. Just trying to hold it to the bull side. We're wicking off of it. Trying to hold about the 17.3, 17.305 level. Uh, Potential for us to reverse upside here, especially if we get over like that 350 level. Might get a little squeeze out of that, but not
yeah,
much else going on for me on my side.
internals look bullish, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
The thing is, I don't have support nearby. I have the pre-market support, and
The
I
gap
don't.
close, maybe 69 or 68. What do you think?
I don't know. I have 63 though, or the pre-market support, which is right here, like 80. That's pre-market, very aggressive. Is not my favorite though. Oh yeah, it looks. Oh shit! I wouldn't short this thing right now. Look at the advanced decline. Look at the tick. Damn it. Hmm.
Tick's broken, bro. Tick's Tick's
Why?
trying to hold the 1,000 level and stay up
Yeah.
there. Really, it's just
Yeah, I
suspended
think
in mid.
Friday day?
bro, I might even take this 88, 89. What do you like?
Oh,
88.50.
there it goes. I was about to say.
Let me set up this long here. If I want to take the overnight high, 2 to 1, yeah, it's 87 3/4. Hmm. Hmm.
Thank you, bouncing on the B-Web.
You got to get above 340 at a minimum, I would say for like a nice little uptrend to start. Got got a little chop area right here. Yeah, right here.
I don't look. I have a support here at 89 3/4, but where my stop should be, bro, is too far. At least here. Hmm? Bro, I think we should jump into this thing long, honestly. What do you say?
Oof, I don't know.
Did you watch the recap?
Yeah, we did. You watched it?
What did he say?
He basically said no trades. Basically, nothing was good. He expected a range, which is what we were talking about yesterday before pre-market. He was expecting a range, and yeah, he wasn't expecting any moves, so he didn't take any trades.
He did not. Hmm.
No, he put on Twitter like he put like if he was like if he was like a risk a ri- more risk seeker, he would have taken the short from the FOMC, but he said he didn't take.
Hmm.
He said if he were to take a trade of the FOMC, it would be that one, but he said he didn't take it.
The thing that's got me hesitant to break, like to take anything, is like the 15-minute chart as well as a 5-minute chart. It looks like bearish consolidation to me. 15-minute chart especially looks like a bear flag kind of setting up here. That trend line that I was talking about towards the open, like it just, I don't know. It's definitely a channel, but I mean, it could definitely turn into a bear flag. So I'm kind of just chilling right now. Seeing if we get that break like 285 ish downside. If we get a close under 285 on the 15-minute chart, might be continued downside here. Maybe we finally get that move to 17,000 flat.
Imagine.
Imagine.
We do have more news, right?
At 9:45 we have Panama
No.
Manufactory.
It's 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing PMI.
Yeah. That. But I think at 9:45 we have a yellow folder if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, it's a red folder.
And at 9:45.
No,
Or
it's at
at
10.
10, yeah, okay, yeah, 10 at 10. We have,
We don't have enough.
but it's not like a yellow folder.
Wait. I don't have any. Oh yeah, final manufacturing
Oh,
PMI. Yeah,
yeah, manufacturing, exact. Yeah, but
finally.
it's like a fucking yellow folder. And then we have the ISM PMI at 10.
Yeah, there you go. Do you see that? The 80, 88. They're very good. But the thing is where my stop has to be. That's the only thing.
Yeah,
That's why I didn't take it.
you're not. You will have to risk the whole thing, which is like
Yeah,
8 points, which is not.
yeah. So what
What's
are
gonna be
my
your target? Like,
aspirations? I want to take my trade out before the overnight high because the overnight high is a sensitive point there. It has a resistance from yesterday that is brutal. Yesterday, and then you have January 24th and January 25th acting as a resistance there.
I don't dislike the short overnight high.
Yeah, I like it. I do like the short at overnight high. Delta is very negative, right? For the day. Oh, actually, it's flat.
Same for the NQ. It's really
Mm-hmm.
not not pushing either direction.
Mm-hmm. Yo, I'm gonna send you my address so you can mail me a Yankees cap. I have no problem with it.
BRB.
Because I have a Red Sox. There you go. Will you dare to short that 96? It's too hard, bro. Look at this tick chart. Impossible. Impossible to short. Just kidding, bro. No worries. I feel like we need to get on board.
I don't know. I'm 1000% waiting for the news because this looks like Monday and Tuesday, and we do have big news tomorrow. So if it decides to do nothing, I'm doing nothing.
Finally tick nearby zero. Yeah. Ooh. Damn it. See that? Yo.
Yes, indeed.
You see that? Hmm.
Looks like somebody's offloading contracts right here, man. Just stuck. We are stuck here.
Hello? Are you guys here?
Yeah.
You
Oh, okay.
Finally tick chart is at zero, bro.
like 5 minute chart looks like a bear flag to me. 15 minute chart looks like a bear flag to me. 1 minute chart looks like a bear pennant to me. So if we do not move down, I will be very surprised.
Really, I have another 87.50 to go long. I'm in it. Tick at zero finally. Below zero, actually. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, a lot of selling, bro, here in the footprint.
Bro, we have a divergence on the ADD.
To the downside?
Yeah, we're making new lows
Yeah.
on the ADD.
Yeah, no, we had a divergence. Yeah, I didn't notice that till now that you said it. Yeah, if we don't go above this, I might close it. Yeah, we have this 90 is very important. Right where it is at.
The only thing that's got me shy wanting to get into it is we're like right on a support level at 300. So I need like a solid close below like 90, like 85, 90, a 5 minute or 15 minute close below that. We don't get that. And then I need like 35, 40 for upside. But right now we're just stuck, man.
Yeah, the 5 minute, I don't like it. 5 minutes is not pretty to the downside. To the upside, sorry. We created some sort of resistance there. Yeah, we need to go above 91 now. Yeah, that was it. That was the movement. Yeah, we need to squeeze. If this thing is going to work, it needs to squeeze above 91 and gain momentum. As a moment of truth is where the selling pressure started here at 91.
90.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work. 91 is being very tough. Hmm. Yeah. A lot of selling pressure here.
NQ still consolidating on this 15-minute trend line, man. Like, I don't know, dude. It's, mm-mm. Price actions for the birds, man.
Oh, new 5. That's not bueno. That's absolutely not good. Are these 5-minute closed?
A little bit of doji action here.
She's dead.
Yeah. Sadly, I'm gonna have to close this thing, bro. Ay, ay, ay. Not even bouncing anymore. So we have the news, bro. That's the thing. We have the news at 10.
Just like, I don't know, wait for like put your stop at break even or like reduce risk and just let it ride for the news? What do you say?
No, I think because I'm break even, I might just close this shit. Yeah, it doesn't want to go up, bro. I think I'm gonna take I'm gonna bring everything to break even. Or take the full loss, whatever. Looks like I'm gonna take the full loss now. Yeah.
Two minutes.
All right, so we're coming through that wedge.
Yeah, I'm out of
Bearish
it.
wedge, 5 minute, 15 minute. We also look like we might be trying to close the gap here. I mean, we do have a slight gap. It's not a huge gap. It's down to about 65 on the NQ.
The
Looking
ES.
for on the NQ. I'll be looking for a retest of about 290, 290, 300 for a retest, lower high. Uh, can't get a short out of that. Anything under 295, I like for a lower high retest. But if we get back into that like 305, 310, 315 again, then I'm just gonna sit on my hands.
Thirty seconds.
Woo! I think my
Damn.
Ninja Trader froze. It did.
Damn.
And it's back now.
Got that one's decline, bro. Bro, I didn't notice the divergence on the advanced decline. God damn it. Such a rookie, bro. Pre-market support.
That VIX is not playing around right now. Like, that 1425 level, that's a big level. Dollar's trying to break above its pivot, previous pivot high as well.
Oh shit.
Okay.
No, que cliqué, cliqué un buy.
By mistake.
Sí, sí, pero no, pero ya corregí. Yeah, pre-market support, bro. Aggressive support, right? Aggressive support right there. Hopefully we can have the short here. We can get in at 82. I don't think so. Look at that 5-minute candle, bro.
There's 30 seconds left of this 5-minute candle, and we're still gonna close above the trend line. Like I don't think we're flushing, man. Like this feels like we're pinned. Until we
Bro,
get out of this range, like we're stuck here. It's just not going anywhere.
if with the news we didn't flush, bro, it's hard for now. That is hard. That is highly unlikely that we're gonna flush right after the news. Oh god. Yeah, forget about it. That's the low of the day. That might be the low of the day. The only hope for me is 91. 91 bring prices down, but it's I don't think so. Now we have momentum to the upside. Advanced decline is picking up a little.
Little bull pennant setting up right here. Woohoo!
Yeah. The long was a no-brainer, bro. The long was a no-brainer, honestly.
See if we can get out of here. Get this little 335, 340 hold. Turn that into some support. Get a little move to the upside. Can we do it?
Haven't
Can we do
haven't you taken in anything yet?
it? I took a long off of 70, but I only got like 6 points out of it. Came back on the third candle, wicked my trail stop out, and then it blasted off.
Oh Jesus Christ! How am I not in this thing? Bro, it's so mental. I'm so screwing it up, bro. My mental state is not there to take good trades, honestly.
Did you close your trade or did you get stopped out?
Ah, I got stopped out.
So what's wrong with your? I don't like. It's not your fault. It like it came through. It um violated your zone. So like it's all good. Just look for the
No.
next one.
Yeah, but I didn't take the pre-market because I lost the first. You see that? The 480. I have. Look at my screen. Look at my screen.
I'm looking.
Oh, yeah. Look, you see this? That's pre-market support. This 480. 4880. You see that here? That's pre-market support.
So did you miss that before you took your first trade, or was
No,
it like?
no, no. I didn't take it because I lost my first trade. That's the honest truth.
So you either need to size down or like what something stopping you from taking the second trade. Like you can't come into the day and only take one trade and be like, okay, everything's gonna be okay, right? Like you have to if you're only coming in and taking one trade, that first
No,
trade has a 50-50 shot regardless of how you take it. So if it's red, then you
no,
walk
I
away,
understand.
then okay, that's cool. But you also have to think like if you want to get green on the day, you have to give yourself at least a second or a third shot. Yeah, yeah, it has to be
Uh,
there.
I do have permission for the second shot, but I just I froze because I was scared. I don't know. I have so much in my plate, bro, lately.
Well, I mean, you did just get out of a trade, so it's like like there's nothing wrong with not taking the next one. Like don't be so hard on yourself. Because if you
Mm.
just come out of a trade, you gotta like mentally reset for your next trade, right?
Yeah, it's easier said than done. Oh, we have a very nice divergence on the advanced line.
Top of the current range right now on NAS is about 350, 365. Like we do have some solid resistance up here. So still looking for like 340-ish, 340, 350 maybe. Consolidate up here, turn that into support, get a little breakthrough that 60, 65 area, but I don't know. I'm not gonna hold my breath. It's pretty solid resistance up there.
I like the overnight high as a resistance, honestly. If we have like a negative print on the tick, I might take the short here, but I need to take at least below 0. The thing is that we have support here. If I structure this trade, I want to put a stop here and target here. Entry has to be, there you go, 85. I'm gonna try it.
If I can't get along here off 240. Sorry, 340. 240. Yeah, all right. Here we go.
Didn't it?
Yes, sir. Current POC's up here at 348, bro. I don't know. We're looking a little top heavy here. Got my contracts at break even just in case.
New 15. Two seconds. What?
T1 and stopped out.
Hmm, 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 hmm. Yeah, now take is bouncing over 0. Yeah. Hmm.
Looking a little weak up here. Got a lot of absorption around that 55.
Hmm. Yeah, 15 minute does not look bad to the upside, no. Hmm. Volume is pretty low. Well, not that low. It is okay. Just a little bit thinner than.
X rejected that 1425 again. I don't know when it's gonna happen.
Oh, Jesus. I don't know, bro. Could it be the run? Could it? Could this be? Oh shit, that's good. Come on,
Woohoo!
come on. Yeah, I'm moving my stop break even. Is it too much? Is it too much? Yeah. Tick chart. Tick chart is not going. That's not good. Yeah, we might have the return around here. Let's see. If we go above 92.50.
Are you scaling? Or are you full or fully out?
No, fully all in, all out.
All in, all out.
Yeah. I don't know. That could be this a long area for you. Do you like this long
No,
area?
no.
Oh, but look at the tick. Just try to convince me out of my
Oh
trade.
yeah,
That's
I want to take a long here. That's for sure.
you would not.
No, like, no, I don't have anything here. If I'm gonna take a long, it will be like a 82. That should be your target. 82.
Oh, I'm out. Nice. Finally, a good trade, bro. Finally, a
Nice
fucking
trade.
good
Alright.
trade.
Nice
Finally, a
trade, bro.
good
Let's
trade.
keep it up. Don't talk. No, no,
Oh
no,
shit.
not bad. Not good.
Yeah, I'm very discouraged, bro. Because not
Why
only
is
my
that, bro?
personal life
You,
is being shattered,
you,
but my trading is being affected because of that. Um, but for those who don't know, I know there's 14 people here on getting divorced, and that is obviously affecting my trading performance. And not only my trading performance, but the way I feel trades. Like if I lose one trade, it hurts more than usual, right? Whereas if you're in a good state and you're not sensitive, you can grasp, but you can, like overcome losing trades. It's just part of the game. It's impossible not to lose trades. But when you are emotional, um when you are emotional is a completely different monster. But I decided to not stop trading. I was about to just stop trading, but I decided not to because I think this is when I'm gonna get better. If I am able to overcome this trading while I'm going through all this period in my life, I think I'll become a lot better. So I rather just suffering the pain of trying to get better being emotional. So when I am not emotional, I am fucking the best. Um, that's a couple words there. That was a 2-1. That was a nice 2-1. Yeah, overnight high, Ale.
I had a fucking
Uh,
sell at 97.
yeah.
I'm getting
I
too cheap.
s-
I don't know. Yesterday took a toll on me. I don't know why.
what?
That yesterday took a toll on me. I don't know why.
Mm.
Like I've been doing so good this month, and just one day just fucks everything up.
Were you watching the F1C later or no?
Oh no.
Mm. And I've had good areas. Like this pre-market support, bro, was a no-brainer. The thing is that I hesitated. Like, and the market is not hard. It's just playing the areas. It's not
I
difficult.
mean,
It's
yesterday we
just
played the areas and we got like fucked.
second.
Yesterday I played the areas. We played the areas yesterday and got fucked. Like I think it's a little bit more than that, but I think that's part. Like that's like
No,
80% the areas.
because here's the deal. Yesterday we played two areas, but we would have played the third, would have won because the market went up on the third.
Ah, right.
No, it did
Yeah, but
bounce.
that's it.
Yeah, it's hard. Like it's
The
not easy
thing about
for
that,
God's
like,
sake.
okay, so say a stock is trending down and you take a position and then it continues to go down and then you average down into your position buying a lower price. And
Hmm.
then it continues to go down and you buy again at a lower price. You're expecting it to go up because it's going to take less to get back to your break even and it's going to take less to get into profit. However, the market can stay going the direction that you
Mm-hmm.
don't want it to
No,
go
I
longer than you
understand.
can stay solvent,
100,
right?
100%, 100%.
So my thing is yesterday I was talking to Ale and it was just like I didn't want to mess with your entries or with like what your trade plan was. So but we were in a downtrend, right? So for me, I consider that catching a falling knife because we're in an obvious downtrend overnight. Like the whole overnight session was a sell off. Then we come into the open, we're under like the 200 MA, the 233, the like we're under all the fib MAs, and we're still in the downtrend, and then it
Yeah,
sells
but
off more.
actually, yesterday I'm watching the chart, but yesterday, if we see the 15 minute, um, it was sideways the entire day. Like yes, until like we open. This is a 30 minute, but let's go see the 15. um, we were chopping around. That's a reality. Even the short here was not working. You see that? Even if I attempted to short, um, where at least on the ES. Look at this 15 minutes. Is from low to high 15 points, which is
I mean, you got a
uh,
gap right there though. That's RTH, right? That's not overnight.
yeah. No, that's RTH, and this is FOMC. Just ignore this. I'm watching just where is it? Here, like you see this, the shadow area.
Yeah.
It's just chopping around. That we went into a chop now. Not all the time you have the market diverging so much, and is very unusual
Well, you
because
had more of a move from pre-market than you had in the first 2 hours of the session
100%.
for the ES,
100%.
yeah,
which you're
yeah, yeah.
missing out on because you don't have it on your chart. That's what I'm trying to say. Is like we were in a
Oh,
clear downtrend from
well, no,
overnight.
you can see it here. I can see it here. Look.
Uh,
Uh, this is yesterday. This is a 30-minute. No, you are right, but we're in a overall uptrend, right? So these pullbacks can come for yeah, and be a normal retracement to the upside, right?
for sure. Yeah. Like
Yeah.
on the
So the
daily, we're still bullish on the daily. We're still bullish on the weekly, but like we're not trading that though. We're not swing traders. We're not institutions. We have to trade the smaller time frame because our stops can't be 500 points wide. You know
no,
what I
no, I
mean? Like
understand. I understand.
so for the smaller inside moves, like the 5 minute, the 15 minute, some people might trade the 30 or the hourly, but like those are our moves. We have to pay attention to the smaller stuff. Like, yeah, be aware of what's going on the higher stuff, but don't like base your entire day off of what's happening on the weekly chart.
Yeah, we're discussing something that we saw on hindsight. The internals were very bullish, and I'm trying to be consistent with my trading plan. If yesterday I lost 2R, it's not a big of a deal. I lost two trades in a row, and I lost the first one today. That's three negative, right? I
Right.
am
I'm
overall
not trying to change your trading plan. I'm just trying to say that when you're coming into a day that has price action overnight, where there's more contracts traded in the overnight session than there is in the entire 3 hour session on the real time hours, that that's probably going to be the like the orient of the day. Like we're
Oh
probably
yeah,
going
yeah.
to
Just
continue on
come.
the
I just
downside.
elaborate there. So the overnight yesterday, the volume yesterday on the overnight was a lot higher than the first 3 hours of trading. You say?
On the NQ it was. Yes.
Alright, let me go see the volume because that's very interesting. I don't know. Now you have the first hour is very negative. That's for sure. And the volume was not, if you compare with the previous day, obviously, it was a lot higher. What we did yesterday, we did have ADP, right? Unemployment.
Yesterday?
Nah, I think that's tomorrow, right? What do we
Yeah, I
No,
think
have?
no,
it's tomorrow.
ADP. Yeah, ADP non-farm employment change. So we did have a very important news at 8:15 yesterday. That's why the volume. No, regardless. I'm not saying trading is easy by any means. It's not easy. Um, but I think one can make it a lot harder if we don't stay on course. That that's what I say.
That's what I'm trying to say. If you trade with the trend, it makes it a lot easier for your trades
No,
to work out in your favor.
100%. And today, what would you do? Long or short?
Took one short off the open. I got a very small win out of that. I took a long off of 274. I got a very small win out of that, even though that was pretty much the bottom. My ATM screwed me, and I'm chilling with that because today is choppy. This is not amazing price action. This is not,
Yeah.
I mean, unless you caught the low or unless you shorted the high, like it's just not trending. It's not my type of not my slice of pie. I'm not in love with the slow grind upside or the slow grind downside. It's not where I get my kicks. So I mean, if you're a range trader or if you're like one of those like I know exactly where support and resistance is at, then yeah, this is you're probably having a good day right here. But this is no bueno for me. Even the overnight, you look at the overnight, like just garbage, Chop City. Even the trends are Chop City. So I like, nah, I'm good. VIX is trying really hard to get over that 1425 level though. I wonder if we get it tomorrow. Like if we get that tomorrow, might have a nice little Elsa day.
Yeah, we have an employment tomorrow. squeeze to the upside?
I think so. I do think so.
I think we get another 40-point sell off and then they buy it back up. I don't know. This looks like bad. Like the 5 minute chart on the NQ looks almost exactly the same that it did, what, 30 minutes ago? It's like it's almost doing the exact same thing. So here's the sell off straight back to market structure. And if 35 holds, we might get a little higher high out of it. I don't know. It's just eh. Is the juice worth the squeeze, man? That's what I'm saying. Like, eh. And it's really weird because like you said, volume isn't bad, and the true range isn't bad either. It's
No,
just
no.
it's like being suppressed, like it's being held. The market's being held captive, man.
Or it's a fight. More than that, it's a fight. All or nothing doesn't work. That is partially true. Um, Pearson. There's a lot of things that I need to improve, honestly, before I become the trader that I want to become. But it's a process. I do have a therapist that I go. Um, I think he helps me. But at the end of the day, we're not robots. Even though I've improved a lot my way to approach trading regarding any other problems in my life, I've improved a lot. But regardless, I think it takes time. Time cures everything. Bro, Ale,
¿Qué? ¿Qué?
Hamilton is
A,
going to
a
Ferrari,
Ferrari.
bro.
Yeah,
Wow.
next year.
Fuck me, bro. That's so good. How much is he gonna make? Doesn't say.
I don't know, probably like 30 millions a year.
30 mil?
That's what they make, like 30, 40.
Peanuts, right? guys, we were muted all the way. Long at where? 70.
7-7.
I don't know. The thing is that is pre-market, bro. That is not um something meaningful.
Take a long here if we retrace back through 90. Want to see an aggressive buy candle on the next open 1 minute chart. Get through 90. See if we get some upside out of that. Need a little pull back here. Pull back.
We can easily you can easily close the gap now.
Where's the gap? 68.
Yeah. Why I don't see this, bro? Fuck.
Okay.
Yeah. 60, let's call it 60, 69. 60, 69.50 actually. Couple reasons I don't like the long right here. Number one is tested, it's not first test. And number two, advanced decline is
Yes.
sharply down.
You don't think we could get a tradable reaction of there?
Yes, but what is the correct? What is the requirement for a tradable reaction? Do you need lower volume,
Automatic, is
right?
it automatic fade?
No. Bro, I gave you the cheat sheet, right? Or no?
Yeah, it's a little outdated.
Yeah, that let me pull it up here. See if I
Looking extremely weak here. We can't even get back through 90. This might be setting up for another leg down.
all right. For a tradable reaction, better if it's a lower volume, bro. And we have higher volume today. Um, Divergence or disconnecting the ADD line, you don't have that,
Nope.
right? You don't have a tradable reaction though. Two-sided activity on the tick chart, not right now, not since 10:32. What time is this? Is now is 11. When the conditions when the setup should be skipped, trading days. We don't
Trading
have a
days.
trade. Yeah, we
Trading
don't have
days.
it. Yeah,
100%.
break of a
A
larger
long off
time
to
frame
70
balance.
here.
I don't think tradable
God
reaction.
damn.
You got it?
Almost got T1. It's probably gonna come back and knock me out
Are
pretty
you
quick.
long?
Yeah,
Yeah, I took a long off 70.
we're in a pre-market support. The fact that we already tested it, I don't like it. I'd rather this thing just going straight to the gap close.
And then fucking drive it up.
Could be, yeah.
Eyes.
Yo, look at my bro. Look at my Ninja Trader. It's completely missing yesterday's trading session on the volume. See that? Crazy.
It says it's still loading, but I don't know. I never seen that.
Oh yeah, there you go. It showed up. Um, it's not my authorship, man. I cannot share it with you. I wish I could, but I didn't make it. I would be glad to do a Discord with you and show it to you, but that's all I can do. Do you like tomorrow? Um, no, Pearson. Let's do this. Let's do this, Pearson. Do you have a login system, a journal that you would share with me so I can review it with you, and then tomorrow at around 11 we can put you on the Discord?
Hey.
Break even on the runner. What's new? 5 minute chart with the Uno
Nice.
reversal.
Nice. Come on, push it up. Bro, so far I had a perfect entry. Yeah, I took it at 76.50. Like I said. Come on, push it up. 70, 86, 35. Yeah, but it doesn't look. There's no follow through 82.
Footprint looks strong. Buyers are
We
buyers are
need to
here.
break above 82. Let me see that. How's the NQ looking?
Decent to the upside.
Damn, if we could retest the B web on the NQ, that would be beautiful for the ES.
We just gotta get through 95. If we get through 95, I feel like we back into some pre-market levels like the
But I think that
315.
was it.
Oh shit, look at the 82, bro. Fuck.
Yeah, just bleeding. And my stop is a break even, bro. It was that push. If it doesn't, then
Are you doing multiple contracts or just one?
no, just one, just one. After yesterday, I just want to get back into my zone, you know. After
View up or
yesterday, I just want to get back into my trading zone. It affected me yesterday. I don't know why. It took a toll.
well, you're trading 6 accounts. Things are getting more interesting, right?
Yes, but like I felt good throughout the month. Like it was a pretty decent month. But it was a pretty decent month. I don't know, it was just yesterday the fact that I was just wrong like time after time, and I don't know. It was just like a, because I've had losers before. I've had last month I had losers, and it was like losers that I would like. It was just mistakes that I knew like what I did wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Like right away I was like, oh, okay, yeah, probably that my stop was not wide enough, or it was like a mistake on the pre-market analysis on my zones. But yesterday was just, I don't know, I felt like I felt so lost, and
The
that's
thing
why
is,
it affected me because
the internals were saying one thing and the market was doing another. That's why.
that is partly why. So I
Well,
felt like super lost. I was like, wow.
how often that happens to us? I think it's the
No, it
first or
was just
second time it
yesterday.
happens. Yeah. Today is working. Today they're very good. You have at 1028 you have an extreme tick, right, to the upside, but you have a divergence on the advanced decline. So they are there is a disconnection.
Yeah, we also just got a perfect fill on the gap for NQ as well. We had that nice little 5 minute spike through 265. So if it doesn't come back down, I wouldn't be surprised. Like probably try and turn this 70/65 into support and then wiggle on back up to the highs.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm out break even. Hi, hi. Could it be the gap close? Here comes the squeeze.
Fuck me, bro. Wow, look at the tick. Look at tick chart, bro. God damn. Without a doubt, not easy to trade.
No,
Hmm?
no, it's the hardest thing to do.
I mean, today has been. Yesterday was hard. Today is sort of same thing.
Today wasn't that, bro. Today wasn't that hard, honestly. Today wasn't that
Yeah,
hard.
that's true. The 880,
Today
bro.
was just playing the
First,
fucking zones.
yeah, 880 first test was a no-brainer. Look at that shit. How clean this is. From 10 minutes to get 60 points. What else can you ask? And I got here 70, 95, 87. Congrats, Spider. But that's how that works. I haven't done top stat. You have to do two, right? That's the combine. What they call the combine? Oh, so So that is a second stage. Only one stage now. Oh, nice. Oh, that's better. Do they let you have more than one test? Yeah, it's not bad. If you notice, Apex hasn't done any 90% discount, which is a good sign. Why I say is a good sign? Because they are not trying to sell more tests, so they're probably sticking with the people that they have, and they have the 30% rule on funded accounts. So that means that they're focusing more in the traders that they already have to make money. I think that's not bad. I think they probably might be changing their business model. They still have 80% and stuff, but they're not as aggressive as they used to be probably 6 months, a year ago. That was something that really concerned me, because with these companies is an opportunity that we have. My entire trading project will be different if I don't have uh, the leverage. I don't have access to it. Remember, I don't own my passwords. Did they change the website? Yo, I texted you. Ale,
Me?
I texted you, yeah.
Mm. Wait, on this and Discord or
No, no,
what the fuck? Wait. No, you did?
I did.
Oh, whoa today? What's whoa?
Work out.
Oh. Bro, I have a fucking project. Fuck. I have a
También hoy.
group meeting. I have a group meeting today. I have a group meeting today. A fucking one. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, these past 2 days have been pretty fucking tough. 78. Carregada 75. Ay, 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 marico.
78 three quarters probably here. Yeah, but that's the thing. If you structure this trade, you have to put the stop below this, right?
Yeah,
And what is
72
your
was a good entry.
yeah? And what is your
78, and you put the stop at 75, 70, 74, 74.
74? But what is your entry? Look.
78. I mean, if you're taking it,
Oh
bro,
no,
the
you.
perfect entry was the one I took. Honestly, 70, 76, 5 or like 75, 5. And I don't know why I didn't risk the whole thing. I mean, I was risking the whole thing. My initial risk was from 76.50 to 72, which was 2 points below my zone. Imagine 2 points below my zone. And yeah, I was up. I don't know how much, and I put my stop at break even like an idiot. And then that shit just went up.
Well, how much were you up?
I was up like 6 points.
6, right?
Yes, almost 7 points. 675.
No, you're seeing it on hindsight, bro. But the thing is that I was up 4 points earlier today, and I let that ship to blow in my hands.
Yeah, I mean, I should have just left my. Bro, stupid mistakes, bro. Stupid mistakes that I can avoid. I'm not avoiding. Stupid mistakes that I can avoid. I'm not avoiding, bro. Stupid mistakes that I'm doing that is costing me uh, fucking progress.
Millions of dollars.
Hopefully in the future, it doesn't cost me. It's gonna make me, but once I correct those mistakes, I'm gonna make
Good money.
that. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is so hard.
Don't
What's that?
don't say that, bro. Trading is easy.
So easy.
Yeah, there you go.
Did you play the zones?
And then
Yeah,
you
yeah.
execute.
No pain, no gain. Does Apis still have the 80% so I can buy more or no?
Check check my code. I have no
No,
idea.
they have a 71% sale going on right now.
They had a 71 because they had the 80% like the other day, but
Bro, but
Yeah, it
get the
was
bundles.
80%
Get
in
the
the one-day
bundles.
pass.
Why don't you get more bundles?
should I get like 3 more bundles?
You just got one. Yeah, and they're cheap.
The thing is
And
that you can only do a one payout per three, like you can only do 3 accounts per payout per week on Lilu. That's what I was reading.
I don't understand how
You
that
can
works.
withdraw from 3 accounts per week. Only 3 accounts. That's what I was reading the other day.
Per week? No, they only have one withdrawal
Oh,
per
every two
month.
weeks. Sorry, every 2 weeks. Sorry, every 2 weeks.
No,
So
they
the
have just
withdrawal was
no.
it was like 3 accounts max per like every 2 weeks. That's what I was that's what I saw. So I was
Yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah,
okay,
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
gonna
Tell
have,
me where
let's
you
say,
saw
10
it because I
accounts.
need to see that because I have a bunch of Lilu accounts. Where do you
Yeah,
see
when I
it?
was doing the disclaimer, or whatever, when I was buying the PAs, I was like reading through them, and I read. I'm not 100% sure, but I read something like that. Like you can only do like 3 accounts every 2 weeks or something like that. Like
No,
if
it
you could
can't.
like
No, it can't be. Give me 1 second. Frequently asked question. Perform my accounts fee. Okay. Can I have multiple accounts? Yeah, traders are allowed to have multiple accounts. Okay, fund out more. Okay. Hmm. Uh, I don't think that's accurate.
you
Payouts.
found it.
No, I'm gonna do a very good research because you just blew my mind. Uh, any of you guys know how to do the payouts? Hmm. All right. Via Lilu's periodic performance based on the benchmark. First payout can be requested after traders have actively traded 30 individual trading days. That sucks. But okay. And then second to fourth payouts can be requested every 10 trading active days. Only a day active trader download Lilu. It's confirm active days. Click here. If you have not a minimum trading days, simply request during the next period. Okay. First four payout, $1,000 while achieving below benchmark. Okay. And have a maximum limit according to the chart account below.
Plau, plau, plau. Ah, para la carota. En la mente de carota. There's Target.
The payout request must be made the last Monday of the month and only the last Monday for efficiency. Okay. Doesn't say, bro.
No me importa. Lilu payout request. Yeah, bro, that long was a no-brainer, bro. Fuck off. Were you able to find it? I'm gonna see if I have the
Uh,
email.
I sent them I sent them a an email. Send them a ticket. Bro, the more I see this, the more I'm convinced that we don't have to take the traits on first test.
On first test?
Yeah, like Awes says that take the 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 zones in the first test, right?
Yeah, that's
But
what I was. That's what I
yeah,
was. That's what I was thinking about the other day, bro.
yeah,
Like you never like it never like bounces right away. I mean,
yeah,
hay veces que sí, obviamente,
yeah. But like
but
one every 10. Hmm?
bro. But there's always like a little, bro. Look, let's say for example, look at the short. Look, bro.
Yes,
If you take a short, let's say for example,
97.
like you see, you could even take, you could even have an entry way, have an entry of 70 97.
No, let's
Just
say
I,
95, 96.
I'm not saying that's confirmation. I'm not saying that's confirmation, but you bro, you basically take out the risk of just getting fucking blown out by a candle or even getting a better entry, honestly. Because for example, my trade, you could have even taken you could even taken a better entry, honestly.
All right, look at
In my
this.
trade, the one I got break even.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
But all right, let's see what happens here on the first test. So you have this, right? You have this. So the first came out is 10 o'clock. Tick chart came to 10 o'clock, right? All right, let me see if I can show tick chart here. Let me see how it can do this the best way. Hmm. All right, let me close this so I have more space. All right. So this is 10 o'clock, right? 10 o'clock in the morning. Then I have 10 o'clock right here. So we made a low. That's minus 600, right? But then came back 1021. No, 1021 is fucking to the moon. So this is not a good example. Let's review the short. Because on the short we have here on my entry we have 1016. You have this 460. And then you have higher high, but it's showing a little bit of momentum here. Now, but this is what I'm referring to. You have a low, this is your entry, and we created this minus 1000, right? But look, we're going down and we're not creating a new low here. So I guess that means momentum loss, right? I don't know if you agree with me. And this is something that happens almost every day. Like you have a lower low. All right, this one. This one yesterday. I was long here. Oh no, this is 3 in the afternoon. No, forget it. 2. All right, this is my trade. I think this is my trade. I got in here somewhere like 09. I got in 09, right? Let's go see here. What time is this? 9:30, 10:30.
That's exactly what I was thinking, bro. Like you
Yeah,
can.
look at this. Look at this, bro. I got in here 30. This is 37, right? 37. Look at 37. Right here. This is 37. I got in here, right? But look at 37. And then it dips at 11 o'clock. Look, but look where the tick is. You see that? Tick is a lot higher. And then it reverses. Don't reverse, but at least you have a very good run to the upside. And then let's compare here 59 to 43. Yeah, 11 o'clock is not fucking up here. So I'm thinking like I'm the more I watch the chart, the more I think first test is not like the best move all the time.
And unless yeah, you get like usually like, bro. For example, at 10:31. Let's say, for example, like you can have an entry at 98.50. For example, you're still gonna get heat, but it does give you a better entry. But what are the probabilities you get a better entry just from first test? Like it's really low. I think it's really hard. You may not get as good as of an entry, or even have more risk. Even you have to increase your risk, but I think it's more safe. I think it's safe and it assures you a better entry, honestly. Or it gives a take more time to go the way you want it. Basically, that would be like a confirmation, basically.
Yeah, but I'm seeing these type of things all the time, bro. Like it creates some area and then it hunts for stops and then it goes the direction. Here
You
it
know
takes
when
the
that doesn't
area
happen? You know when that doesn't happen? When it's like a pullback. I don't know if you see at 10:20, 10:22.
tonight
You
today.
see how in that pullback it just comes and it straight
Oh
goes
yeah,
up,
yeah. Yes.
but it doesn't happen like in a high probability zone. In a high probability zone, it starts like consolidating a little, starting to like find buyers or sellers or whatever, or like get
And,
buyers a
and
little
then
exhausted, and then
and then it
they.
always dips. It always dips further and then
No, I don't think it always dips, but it always comes close to like the first retest. Like it always retests. Sometimes it it goes it's right above, or sometimes it just dips like today, like in that one. No, in mine it dipped. In my entry it dipped.
yeah, I don't know, bro, but certainly I do think I'm considering this big time. Like consolidation, it dips and then it moves to the upside. And then probably our entry will be here. What do you say?
Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that?
Like like if we have this consolidation and then it dips, our entry will be somewhere around here. Testing this high, like right here. Or
Bro,
what
I think our entry would be even 76. The low of that, look on the second retest, on the
yeah,
dip, no, on the dip, on the dip. There, there, there,
here.
there, there. In
This
the live
one?
stream, there. That could be an entry. You risk. You can. I have a. What is that? You have a zone there, right?
Of course. Yeah, I have
Oh yeah.
48,
Then you
80
risk. Yeah,
to
you risk.
73.
If you get that type of entry, then you risk like 2 points below the zone, or even bro, or or even risk the whole zone.
Because the way I have been structuring my trades, I think is good because I always put this low and then I go to my target, right? Let's say this is the target I wanted to get right here before this resistance, right? This is 3.9. If I go down to 2, my entry would have been 77.50. You see that? Pretty safe. I think it's good to calculate the stop and the target first and then the entry point, don't you think?
It also depends. It also depends how many times that zone has been retested, like in that same, I think, session, or like prior day. Like, that's what happened to me yesterday. Like on my first trade that I got stopped out right away. Um, I was thinking the same thing, and I was thinking the same thing. But you see, my mind had to retested it one, two, three, four times, and then I was fifth. It was the one that I was gonna let go. It also depends on how many times. You're gonna get that retest too. Like,
No, I would say like second try period,
yeah,
no
I
more
think the
than
second
that.
retest will be it's the entry.
I think the second
The
time it
second retest is
is.
the entry. I mean, we're improving every day, bro. There's little things that we can improve. I had the entry today. It just I got stopped out.
Goes to the break even.
I mean, break even, yeah, that.
I want to see where my trade was. Where was my entry and where was my stop? Would have been stopped out for a full loss. Uh-huh. So my like 88, 98, 50, 99 was my stop. Ooh. Yeah, I would have gotten stopped out for a full loss. Let's say I scaled out. Yeah. Now I want to review that short because the short that I took was more like a tradable reaction than the current the like the big short. I want to go see what happened. What happened on the pre-market? Hmm. Oh, never mind. This is yesterday. It's not pre-market. Oh shit! No, this is a huge area. This is a big area. It ends here like at '06, so it's like 10-point area, bro.
And every day I'm more convinced of taking the middle of the zone, bro. Taking the middle of your zone
Yeah, yeah, it's better.
is the way to go.
Yeah, yeah.
Taking the middle of the zone is the way to go, honestly. Yeah, bro. I think that was a trade, honestly. The short a 97 and then the long 76. It just takes balls to just fucking let it turn red when you're up 6 points, but it's part of the business, part of the journey.
I mean, we have to create like a hard rule that tells us when to move the stop. For me, it's 1-to-1. But I figured that I've been 1-to-1 and then stopped up break even so many times, and then it
The thing
works.
is that, bro, there's no like right approach to it. You
Yeah,
know what I mean? Because
yeah.
sometimes it's gonna work and sometimes it's not gonna work, and so it's
That's
either
why the
you
mechanical
you just
approach
leave
doesn't
it at
work.
one and you take it if you lose it, or take it. For example, you're if your thing is just to once you're like a 1-to-1 just break even, then you should take it. You should be ready when the market stops you out and then it keeps going. You know, it's hard. It's not just about the money. It's about your mental state, honestly. Because it's hard to just wait for a trade the whole day and finally when you get your trade, you take it. You get a good entry, pretty decent entry, and then you don't feel like I don't know, start feeling skeptical about it, and you cut it. You put it a break even and you get stopped out, and then it goes your way.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know. This is part of the learning curve, honestly. Part of the learning curve. Yeah, I think I have a meeting in an hour, so I think I'm just gonna eat something and head out.
Dale, yo
Um,
también.
¿Tú vas a ir al gimnasio ahorita?
Sí, I'm gonna go work out.
¿Cómo te fue ayer con mi tía?
Good, good.
¿Qué
She
hicieron?
helped, she helped me out cleaning up here. We um assembled all the, like the furniture
Lo
that I
dije,
bought.
vaina.
Yeah.
Está bien. ¿Hicieron algo después o no?
Estás loco, marico, estamos reventados, weón.
Mm, mm. Y después manejó hasta
Mm.
allá arriba, otra vez.
Yeah, and she's coming over today at 2 also.
Oh, nice.
But we didn't finish
¿Vas a
up
work out and
yesterday.
then you're gonna see her?
Again?
¿Vas a work out y la vas a ver?
Yeah.
Were you picking up Emma today or no?
Yes. 6:30, 5:30.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Bueno, marico, nice trade today. Let's keep it going.
Slowly but steady.
Pero, I want to talk to you about your first trade.
Why?
¿Por qué? Como que, ¿por qué agarraste ese trade?
Marico, pensé que
¿Qué?
podíamos tener trending conditions to the upside and close the, not close the gap, but at least get uh to the resistance at
Yeah,
96.
because you didn't notice the divergence, right? The first divergence, right?
No, I saw it when you
When I
said
said
it.
it.
Yeah, when you said it is when I noticed it. I
Yeah.
thought we could have trending conditions. The internals were good, but I didn't see the divergence. And then it came down to my area here at 80. So that was the trade that I should have taken. If I saw the divergence on the advancing line, I would have skipped the first one.
Obviamente, that long.
Yeah.
Then on your short, you had a zone there, right?
Yeah, of course.
You had a resistance there.
Marico, look at this.
I can estoy viendo.
Look how important is. This
That's
is
why. Por
the
eso te digo, Mario, compara tus dos trades. So which one's the one that worked? Which is the one that did it? The one that worked was
yeah.
in your zone. That's what we need to stick to.
But we did have trending conditions in the internals. That I don't know.
Yeah, we did
I'm
have
not
an
gonna go
open.
just. I'm not gonna justify my first trade because I missed the advanced decline. But I thought like okay, ignore this candle. I thought we never were gonna have this week. That's the reality. You see that? I thought like we could have a run up from here to this level, and that was basically my trade up to the overnight. My target was before the overnight, and then we got to the overnight and we dipped here. Now, if I would have seen the advanced clan divergence, I would have skipped it. And then I have the supply here, this one, the resistance, this, and look to the left. Look, all RTH. See that? So the overnight high is not only the overnight high. Look, I have a lot of resistance there. See that? So this is probably an area that is not gonna be blown. Who knows?
No, just keep working, bro. Just keep working.
Yeah.
Empieza a hacer journal tus trades.
Yeah.
I'm stalking you.
Yeah, probably today. I don't
I'm
know.
stalking you.
I have a lot of things to do.
But don't deviate from our program, bro. Don't deviate from our plan. No matter
Yeah,
what
I know.
we let's not deviate, bro. We're doing this good together, honestly.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna
Bueno,
go
marico,
work out,
entonces,
bro. Good luck.
yeah, have a good workout. Mañana, bueno, let's work out tomorrow.
What time?
I don't know, whenever you want. We can do arms tomorrow.
Arms. Good. I'm gonna
Yeah.
do chest today.
You gonna do chest today?
Yeah.
You didn't. You told me you didn't do it on Monday, right? You did like abs or something on Monday.
Um, abs, and then on Tuesday I did back. Yesterday I did legs.
Legs.
Yeah, and I'm going to do chest today.
Está bien. Entonces mañana hacemos hombro.
Dale.
Dale, Pedro.
Hombro or arms? It's up to you.
Oh, arms. My bad. What the fuck? I'm gonna
Yeah.
do hombros hoy.
Okay, cool. Dale, bro.
Dale, pues.
All right, guys.
Is James still there?
I don't know.
James still there? Nah. All right. Dale, pues. Hablamos
He's there,
mañana,
but
viejo.
his yeah. Dale. All right, guys. See you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.